Hi, and welcome to video number 8. In video number 8, we're going to talk about communication tools. Now, to some of you, this might be already self-explanatory and you're already doing this, but to some of you, you may not be doing this already. Now, communication tools, what is the best thing to use to communicate with your business partners, business partner, to different people, to many people, and to use it to the full extent? Well, there are two tools that I use. The first one's called Meebo.com and it's free. And I've been using this tool for many years. And it's a messenger, basically allows you to integrate and have a centralized system. You'll notice that the theme here is centralized. The more you centralize your system, the more time you'll save. So with this, you can talk with Yahoo, AOL, GChat, ICQ, and so forth, all in one browser. So some business partners I found will talk on Google Chat, some will talk on Yahoo, some will talk on so forth. So it's instead of having all these windows open, it's just easier to have one system. Now, for those of you that don't use instant messaging, well, you can ignore this. The second tool is called Skype. I'm sure you have heard Skype, but I don't know if you've really used it to the full extent. I use Skype to call people, and I've set it so that when I call people, it looks like I'm calling from my mobile phone. Now, I can't call everybody with my mobile phone because I'm in the USA. So I can't call people, in Singapore and Malaysia and so forth, but Skype allows you to do that. I would actually recommend that you hop on to their monthly subscription. Now, you can use Skype to communicate with, business partners and so forth if they have Skype, but if they don't have Skype, then you'll want to jump on their monthly subscription. Now, the reason why I like Skype so much is because you can document everything. With Skype, it's not just an instant messenger system. You can do video calling, you can call phones and mobile phones. You can do instant messaging for documentation. You can do Skype management. You can document even your phone calls and your video calls and so forth. In fact, there's one tool that I use. It's called Pamela for Skype. And I use this a lot for documentation purposes, whether you're documenting, whether you're communicating. You've always got to keep a record of what you discuss with other people, if you need it in the long run and so forth. So Pamela does cost a little bit of money, but it's worth it. Skype doesn't cost money unless you go with their monthly subscription. But I'd actually recommend that you go and do that. This is Skype, and the nice thing I like about Skype is that I could call 5 people at the same time and have a conference call, and I could communicate with so many different people at one time. So the key here is centralization. The more you can centralize your communication and so forth, the more time you save and the more money you save in the long run.